14 Benefits of Strength Training, backed by science. What if I told you that one simple change in your routine could transform your body and mind? Strength training, also known as weight training or resistance training, is the key to unlocking a stronger, healthier you. Imagine using your own body weight or equipment like dumbbells and resistance bands to build muscle mass, strength, and endurance. Muscular hypertrophy, or muscle building, uses moderate to heavy weights to stimulate muscle growth. Muscular endurance focuses on your muscle's ability to sustain exercise over time with high reps and light weights. Circuit training cycles through various exercises with little to no rest, offering full body conditioning. Maximum muscular strength involves low reps and heavy weights to boost overall strength, perfect for experienced exercisers. Explosive power training combines power and speed, enhancing athletic performance. Most people incorporate muscular endurance, circuit training, and hypertrophy into their routines. Depending on your goals, you can use body weight, free weights, resistance bands, weight machines, or suspension equipment. The goal is to put your muscles under tension to stimulate growth and strength. Strength training makes daily tasks easier, like carrying groceries or playing with your kids. It burns calories efficiently, increasing your metabolic rate and burning more calories at rest. Strength training helps reduce abdominal fat, lowering the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease and diabetes. As you build muscle and lose fat, you'll appear leaner and more defined. It decreases your risk of falls by strengthening your legs and improving balance. Strength training lowers your risk of injury by improving range of motion and mobility. It also improves heart health by lowering total and LDL cholesterol. Strength training helps manage blood sugar levels, reducing the risk of diabetes. It promotes greater mobility and flexibility, contrary to popular belief. Strength training can significantly boost your mental health and self-esteem. It makes your bones stronger, reducing the risk of osteoporosis. Regular weight training can boost your mood and release endorphins. It improves brain health and protects against age-related cognitive decline. Strength training enhances your quality of life, especially as you age. Start with the basics if you're new to strength training, focusing on balance and core stability. Master basic movements like squats, push-ups, and planks before adding weights or resistance bands. Choose an appropriate volume and load based on your fitness goals. Challenge your muscles with progressive overload to gain strength and build muscle. Avoid overdoing it to prevent delayed onset muscle soreness and allow time for recovery. Strength training isn't just about lifting weights at the gym. You can use items around your house too. Whether you're new or experienced, strength training is for everyone. Embrace the journey to a stronger, healthier you.